Watch carefully the next program and practice it at home.
First of all, we will right click on the desktop, new notepad, open it, simply enlarge it here like this. Start typing the tag brackets less than and greater than, then exclamation mark, doc type declaration, doc type space HTML. This is our doc type declaration. Then tag brackets HTML, the opening HTML. Let's down it, new tag, the head, tag brackets, head, down it, then the title of the web page. It will describe the title. Suppose the title is my sample web page, then closing tag title, close it. The web page name will be displayed as my sample web page. Next, we will close the head /head, and we will close this HTML program with the /HTML. Now we will save as the document with the extension HTML.html. Name the web page. Suppose we name it demo.html and save. Where to save? Suppose in desktop and save. Yes, minimize it. Lex, where is it? Yes, here it is, the demo web page. Open it. It will open in a browser, and you will see the title of the web page. Yes, my sample web page, only the tab name, my sample web page, and the whole web page is blank. Only title is being displayed. Close it. We will write another program. Title is same. We will write practice the suppose body of the HTML program. The opening tag of body, and now we will start writing the heading H1, the heading 1, opening heading, and the heading will be, suppose, welcome to my website. This is the heading of our website. Close the heading 1, H1 /H1, and save as the document. Close the body and save as .html. It is already there. Save it. Yes. Let's check it. Yes. Welcome to my website. This is the heading 1. We have just written the HTML program. Next, we will write the paragraph. Paragraph, we will align the text. We will use align attribute. Close it. Align attribute. Align equal to double inverted comma. Suppose we want to the right side of the document of the page, right, double inverted commas, close, the greater than symbol, the tag bracket close, and the content of the paragraph will be do you know HTML. Then we will close the paragraph. Our paragraph text save as .html will be aligned at the right side. Save, yes. Let's check it. Yes, here it is. At the right side, do you know HTML? This is our paragraph. We have aligned it to the right with the right alignment attribute. Let's HR tag horizontal rule. It will be displayed as a horizontal rule here. Yes. Suppose we want a rule in the color of what type of color? Suppose red. Save as .html. It is already there. Yes. Let's check. The horizontal line will be in red color. Yes, here it is. Close it. Next program, font and the attribute font color. Suppose the font color is green and the size of the font color, font size attribute equal to double inverted comma. Suppose 15 is the size and we will close it and the content, this is my paragraph and you are here, it is my profile. It is the content and we will close now the paragraph /p, then save as extension HTML, save, yes. Font color will be displayed in green color. Here it is. Now the attribute color is being shown. Close it. Next, we will practice the headings, 6 type of headings. We have practiced H1, now H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Copy it, paste it till heading 6. Rename it heading 3, heading 4, opening heading, closing heading 4, opening heading 5, closing heading 5, opening heading 6 and closing heading 6. The content of the heading, what will be the heading? Suppose welcome to my page is the heading. paste it, paste it here also. You can change the heading name, whatever you want. I just simply going to demonstrate it, so I'm pasting all the text. The 6 headings are complete. Save as .html already there. Save. Yes. Now check it. 6 type of headings you can see over here. First one is very bold and the last one is very small. There are 6 categories of headings. Now if you want to change the background color, you will write body style equal to inverted commas background dash color. Yes, we will use dash color and colon blue and double inverted comma close. Save as. Let's check. .html. Save. Yes. Minimize it. Check it. The web page color is now blue. Yes, you can change. Now the font type, if you want to change, suppose we take italic. Save as it. .html. The text will be italic. Let's check. Here it is. The font is now in italic. You can change it bold. Suppose we want to insert an image. It is in our desktop. We will use the tag img space src equal to double inverted comma the image name. Suppose the name of the image is school monogram .jpg, the type of image, the format of image, and then double inverted comma close, and the attribute width. The width will be suppose 500 double inverted comma close. Then height suppose equal to double inverted comma also 500 square shape and close it. Save as .html. Save it already there. Yes. Now check it. Our image will be displayed. Here it is. It is in square shape with the help of attribute.
Practice at home to learn HTML program and make simple HTML program. Thanks for watching.